Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is a YouTube collab, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So this is for a YouTube collab, which is called #unicornglamsquad. I'm the host of this collab, and we do this every Wednesday on YouTube, and we have such a fun time doing it. And we do different themes and stuff. So this week's theme was for Snake Day, so I had to create this look. Let me know what you think. And also, this is a trial run of me testing out to see if I want to do this makeup again on a live that I'm having. That's going to be happening this Friday, so make sure you stay tuned for Flex Beauty. And it's going to be, I think, 8 p.m. Eastern, or yeah, my time. I have to look at it again. But hope y'all stay tuned. I will put it on the community tab when it's all the information, when it's that day, when I'm going live. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can. If not, I have this video already filmed, for this collab, so she can watch this video and I can do a video for TikTok for using her products. So yeah, I always like to be prepared, and since this theme was available for one of the days, I decided to do it for this one. So if y'all do enjoy it, so please do check out the unicorns that's in this collab. Go show them some love. Their channel will be linked down below, and hopefully you do enjoy them and see what kind of snake look they're doing today. And I created this look. I did the little mask trend that everybody does because I saw a lot of looks of snakes, and everybody does different takes on it, and I haven't saw a lot of this style, so I decided to do this style look. I think it turned out really cool looking. Really love how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts on it down below in the comments. So now let's talk about what makeup I used. I also forgot to mention, if I haven't got everybody's link yet, because we do post different times, click the hashtag in my title, which is #unicornglamsquad, and see recent videos that way. But I try to keep the description up to date for y'all, so y'all can watch them. So now let's talk about what makeup I used today. So the first thing I use is for the base of my little snake eye look. I used the Rue Cosmetics that 70 palette Wild Vibe palette. I used this dark green as the base of the eye shadow. That's the only thing I used. The rest of the shadows are from Flex Beauty, but I just needed a base, and didn't have light green, so I decided to use that. So then I took this palette, which is called the Cold Hearted Snake palette. It looks like this. And I used this dark shade right here. There is numbers to it, but I won't be able to get this out because I don't want to get the shadow on me. But if you want to see the unboxing, I do have it up here on my channel, so please check that out if you do want to see like the numbers and stuff of the shadows. So then I took this little stencil and did the snake print. Now this was a little bit hard because for my nose area, but over here on the sides it was very easy to put down. The nose area, I wanted to put the middle section on because I saw a lot of trends where like the nose part is like a big thing. And then yeah, I just lightly took it, lightly put the shade over this. So hopefully, since I did try it out, I will do a lot better next time when I do the live, if I get around to it. And then after that, I did my eye look. I took this deep black shade from Flex Beauty. It looks like this. It's a loose pigment. I did mix that with this Eye Safe, I think it's called glitter sealer or glitter or something, but it's supposed to make your shadows liquidy so you can make a liner out of it. So that's what I used and did a little mixture of. That bottle was hard to open at first, but once you get it open, it's very easy to open up. I had to get my mom to open it, but I did a liner, black liner of that, and then I took the next shade, which is called Serpent Queen. Looks like this. It's such a pretty shade. I'll show you it on this little palette. It's a green shade, and I put that over top of the black. I don't know how well you could see it. I could see it like in person a lot more than over the black. I just decided to do it over the black to make it a little bit green. And then I took this beautiful shade right here out of the palette and put it on my lid to make it a little bit shimmery because I really like the shimmer effect of that. And then I took this white shade right here. That's what's on my face as a highlighter. I know you can't see it because I put the green over it, but I did put that as my highlighter. I put it in my inner corner and under my brow bone for the highlight on my eyes. And that's all I used from that palette. And then I took the same green, the serpent color green, and put that on my lips. And then I put this shimmer right here over top of it to create a lip look because I wanted to use that liquid shadow as a lip product, and that's what I did. Such a pretty lip combo. I really like the two colors together. I am definitely going to do that for the live. Then for my mascara, I used the Benefit Cosmetics Fan Fest mascara. It looks like this. For my mascara today, that's what it looks like on my eyelashes. Hope y'all can see it okay. Really like that mascara. Then to set my face, I used the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Setting Spray. So that's all I used. I will link it down below. All the products I used on my face. They're just links to get there, no affiliates or anything. If I do have affiliate, it could be down below at the bottom with a code. No, put down below at the bottom in a link tree link. Some of the links have codes with it, so you can save some money on your order. Some are just affiliate links, so you know. All the money I make from any of the affiliate links will go right to my channel, so you know. And then I'll also link my Amazon storefront in the top link in the description for y'all, so y'all can check that out. That is also in the link, and you can shop through my Amazon storefront if you want to see some goodies. So yeah, I think that's it for the makeup look. Now let's talk about what I'm wearing today. So I really had this cool idea. I got this little snake necklace, and I decided to use it as a headband. It worked very good. It stayed put because once you like mold it to your head, it will stay put. I think it's really cool looking. I look really cool. I really like it as a little headpiece, but you can use it as like a necklace, anything like that. And then to tie in, because this is so giving me Harry Potter vibes, Slytherin. Here's what my shirt looks like. Hopefully y'all can see it okay. I do need, let me look. So it's the Slytherin, not Slytherin, it's the Hogwarts houses here, I got from Universal. I really love this shirt. And just to tie in, because you can see the little snake on my shirt, I feel like this is perfect for the Slytherin house. That's what I decided to do for today for the Snake Day look. So that's everything I'm wearing. The shirt came from Universal. The headband, well, it's really a necklace, came from Flex Beauty. I will link Flex Beauty down below. I really recommend you check them out. They are a small business. And I like to tell y'all what I'm wearing just in case y'all do want to know what I wore for this look. So I think that's it for today. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below the snake emoji to be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see me shout in the previous video up on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section and show them love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers, so please do go check them out and tell them I sent you. I started doing this on my channel to say thank you to all the unicorns who do watch my videos in full. It really means the world to me, and I really do appreciate it. And it's a way for you unicorns to know who's all in the family. So again, if you do want to be shouted, please leave that emoji. If you can't find the emoji, or if you don't want to leave the emoji, just say you watched them full, and you'll also be shouted in the next video also uploaded on my channel. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for YouTube collabs just in case you want to watch past these collabs, if I can talk, and other collabs on my channel. You can check out that playlist. That is an amazing playlist to watch if you want to see all my YouTube collabs, and that is one of the biggest ones on my channel. So please do watch it if you have any free time. It will really help out with watch time hours because I'm trying to get monetized this year. I'm also trying to hit 2K, so if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and join the unicorn family. I really love all the new unicorns that join in. And for all the new ones, because I do have some new unicorns that join in, my channel is mainly makeup, but I do splash in some skincare, journaling, crafting, unboxings, hauls, and more. So if that's something you're into, please do subscribe, and if y'all do enjoy it here, if y'all did subscribe. I really love this channel, and I love seeing the new faces on here. So if you are new here, please let me know in the comments that you did subscribe and you're new here, because I want to welcome you to the Unicorn family. And also, I'll have my TikTok link down below. It's always linked down below. If the link doesn't work for some reason, it's Pink Unicorn 1998 on new TikTok. So please stop by Friday night. I have all the times in that video when I did the unboxing, so please check out that unboxing video of the Flex Beauty goodies if you want to see all the times. Or I'm going to put it on my community tab maybe Thursday night, so y'all have it, all the times and stuff, so you know when to stop by, your time and stuff like that. And I can't wait to see y'all there, and this will be a first live, so fingers crossed I can join in. If anything changes by then, I will let y'all know in the community tab if something changes. But if I can't join in, please do go check in the live anyways and see the other ladies that join in the snake collab. And I think that's it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my snake inspired makeup look for Snake Day. Also, to do a little trial run for the Flex Beauty collab that I'm going to be doing. I am going to be recreating this look for that live, so make sure you do go stop by that. I'm so excited, and I love how this turned out, so I'm definitely going to do it. And fingers crossed I can join in. But let me know what you thought of the snake look. If you get inspired by any of my looks, like this snake look or anything, please tag me. I like to go check out and show it some love. If I get inspired by anybody, I always like to shout them out. I didn't see anybody do this take on it, so I didn't really get inspired by anybody. But if somebody did something similar, I might didn't see them. This is my creation that I created. So yeah, please tag me if you do recreate my looks. I like to go check out and show it some love and shout you out. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.